stop saying past tense is difficult, because today, after this video, you will start speaking past tense sentences confidently. One of you requested this video in the comments. So today we are going to practice 50 daily use past tense sentences together. मैं स्कूल गया था. I went to school. I went to school. I went to school. मैंने खाना खाया. I ate food. I ate food. I ate food. उसने मुझे बुलाया. He called me. He called me. He called me. हमने क्रिकेट खेला. We played cricket. We played cricket. We played cricket. मैं जल्दी उठी. I woke up early. I woke up early. I woke up early. उसने दरवाज़ा खोला. She opened the door. She opened the door. She opened the door. मैंने पानी पिया. I drank water. I drank water. I drank water. वे बाजार गए. They went to the market. They went to the market. They went to the market. मैंने किताब पढ़ी. I read a book. I read a book. I read a book. उसने मेरी मदद की. He helped me. He helped me. He helped me. मैंने अपना कमरा साफ किया. I cleaned my room. I cleaned my room. I cleaned my room. उसने गाना गाया. She sang a song. She sang a song. She sang a song. मैंने टीवी देखा. I watched TV. I watched TV. I watched TV. हम पार्क गए थे. We went to the park. We went to the park. We went to the park. मैंने अपना होमवर्क पूरा किया. I completed my homework. I completed my homework. I completed my homework. उसने मुझे मैसेज किया. He messaged me. He messaged me. He messaged me. मैंने चाय बनाई. I made tea. I made tea. I made tea. वे देर से आए. They came late. They came late. They came late. मैंने दरवाज़ा बंद किया. I closed the door. I closed the door. I closed the door. उसने मुझे धन्यवाद कहा. She thanked me. She thanked me. She thanked me. मैं लाइब्रेरी गई थी. I went to the library. I went to the library. I went to the library. मैंने नया शब्द सीखा. I learned a new word. I learned a new word. I learned a new word. उसने मेरी बात सुनी. He listened to me. He listened to me. He listened to me. हमने साथ में पढ़ाई की. We studied together. We studied together. We studied together. मैंने अपना फ़ोन चार्ज किया. I charged my phone. I charged my phone. I charged my phone. उसने पानी गिरा दिया. She spilled the water. She spilled the water. She spilled the water. मैंने बाजार से फल खरीदे. I bought fruit from the market. I bought fruits from the market. I bought fruits from the market. वे बस से आए. They came by bus. They came by bus. They came by bus. मैंने अपना बैग खोला. I opened my bag. I opened my bag. I opened my bag. उसने मुझे देखकर मुस्कराया. He smiled at me. He smiled at me. He smiled at me. मैंने सुबह व्यायाम किया. I exercised in the morning. I exercised in the morning. I exercised in the morning. उसने खिड़की खोली. She opened the window. She opened the window. She opened the window. मैंने अपने दोस्त को कॉल किया. I called my friend. I called my friend. I called my friend. हम मंदिर गए थे. We went to the temple. We went to the temple. We went to the temple. मैंने दूध पिया. I drank milk. I drank milk. उसने जल्दी जवाब दिया. He replied quickly. He replied quickly. मैंने अपनी किताब खो दी. I lost my book. I lost my book. I lost my book. वे घर लौट आए. They returned home. They returned home. They returned home. मैंने नया वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया. I recorded a new video. I recorded a new video. उसने मुझे सच बताया. She told me the truth. She told me the truth. She told me the truth. मैंने पौधों में पानी डाला. I watered the plants. I watered the plants. I watered the plants. उसने मेरा इंतज़ार किया. He waited for me. He waited for me. He waited for me. मैंने अपना काम खत्म किया. I finished my work. I finished my work. I finished my work. हम देर रात तक जागे. We stayed awake till late night. We stayed awake till late night. We stayed awake till late night. मैंने अपना चेहरा धोया. I washed my face. I washed my face. I washed my face. उसने मेरी पेन ली. She took my pen. She took my pen. She took my pen. मैंने अंग्रेजी की प्रैक्टिस की. I practiced English. I practiced English. I practiced English. वे बहुत खुश थे. They were very happy. They were very happy. They were very happy. मैंने भगवान से प्रार्थना की. I prayed to God. I prayed to God. उसने मुझे फिर से बुलाया. He called me again. He called me again. He called me again. So guys, practice these sentences every day and you will see a big improvement in your English speaking. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Speak with Indu. Keep practicing, keep speaking and keep shining.